Okay, auction lot T1020 for our April the 10th, 2024 online auction happening here in Langley, British Columbia. This is a private or estate vehicle that's come in, 2002 Honda Civic SI something or other. I forget what the little model name was. This is just part of the government surplus and estate auction that we have going on. Everything there that you can kind of see in the pictures there is all selling. Highest bid wins. So it's all unreserved, no starting bid price or bid amounts, no starting prices. If you're the high bidder, you are the winner. So this little two-door coupe, obviously, driven it around our yard, seems to run and operate as required. I just got to dig the key out here. Uh-oh, maybe I don't have the key. There we go. And it does have a key fob right here. Just going to pop the trunk. There it is. It's an SI Veloz. I don't know. Anyways, there you go. Trunk opens with a key. Trunk opens with the little pull button inside. The car probably needs a really good detail. There is a few scratches here on this side, right down in this area. A little dent there right by the door. You can see there's some scratches and scuff marks on, maybe not this corner, sorry. On this corner, there you go there. You can see all the scuff marks there and curb marks. Driver's side looks to be pretty good. Does look like there's a little bit of a off tint there in the paint, but the family didn't find out any information with regards to accident history. We declare all the vehicles usually as having previous damage over $2,000. We just expect that. If you want to run a Carfax on it, you can go right ahead. The family didn't want us to charge them for that service. So anyways, starts, runs, drives. Interior is stained, it's dirty, but there's not really a lot of rips or tears in the material. Seats are in pretty good condition overall. Like I said, showing their age and their wear. You can see the dirt on that one. Stain marks down there in the carpeting. I'll just... lots of dirt and stain along the carpeting there, but there were extra mats in here that we just pitched because they were, dirty, and it was just easier to do that than to try and clean them. Some staining there on the seat. So I'll just go and fire it up so that you can listen to the motor. And like I said, I have driven it around the yard, up and down the driveway. Seems to actually not bad, I mean, it's that little Honda VTEC or whatever. I'll start it up, let you watch the warning lights. I do have the door open. Oop. Warning lights there go on. I'm going to shut the door to shut up that alarm. 296,166 kilometers. So 296,166 kilometers. About a half a tank of fuel. Fuel prices keep going the way they are. That could be worth gold almost. It does have quite a lot of options, including a sunroof. We don't try any of those. It's got air conditioning, stereo. The stereo was just on. We don't even try the heaters, unless it's freezing cold or it's really hot. We just really don't try anything. Let me see, yeah. Automatic, 4-speed, or whatever it is there. It's got the 2 drives. I'm going to get out now and let you listen to the motor. Oh. Okay. Crack in the windshield. Big crack in the windshield. But here's the motor. So yes, this is selling. I'll just put this hood down so you can see the hood alignment. Just hold on a sec. So there you go there, because I guess I didn't have that down before. So yeah, this is selling on Wednesday, April the 10th, 2024, from our location here in Langley, British Columbia. We use the online auction site, of course, bcsurplus.com. There's the sign there for it. Everything sells highest bid wins. So unreserved, highest bid wins, no minimums, no reserve prices. If you're the bidder, if you're the high bidder, you are the winner. Boy, I'm having problems talking today. Anyways, I hope you get another buy-by auction. This is just one of a bunch of stuff selling in this auction sale.